So why I make this video? Hello everyone, this is Amy from on.All. We are the manufacturer for Apple bags, and I have been asked many times, so what size is suitable for my laptops? And today I have taken two different kind laptop bags to show you guys how to choose the best size laptop bags for your laptop. Yeah, here you can see this is a green one and this is a pink one. So what is the difference between these? Now you can see the size is different. Yeah. So here we can see it is first one, pink one. It is a waterproof material. Yeah, and it is for one layer. And here is high quality zips. Yeah, with two zips, and it's very smoothly, very easy to open and close, which is more simple and very easy to carry. Here is the inside feel of the bag. Yeah, and this velvet material, both of these are shock-proof, so can protect your laptop. And we can see it is a little big than the laptops. In fact, we should order the little big size or the silk size. It is also available. Yeah. Here we can easily to put inside. For the green one, and here have the front pocket. As we know, we can put the chargers inside and the mouse inside. So if you want to go out maybe for an afternoon or one day, we can use this. Here is the main pocket. Yeah. As we know, it is put the laptop inside. Yeah. And the laptop into the main pocket. And here we can see this one also have the handles, so it is more easy to carry. Okay, so now you guys know how to choose the best laptop bag for you.